Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a document for signature in Docusign. Whether we are sending contracts, agreements, or forms, Docusign helps us prepare and send documents securely for electronic signing. Now, let's get started. On the Docusign dashboard, we click this Start button in the center of the page, which has a drop-down menu. Here, we can create a template or upload a template. We can also sign a document, get a signature, or use a template. Since we want to get and sign a document, let's wait for this to load. Thank you. Now let's sign the documents. Once we have that, we can prepare our documents to be signed. It will say, Upload for review. For example, we have a notarized letter to be signed. Let's just wait for this to finish uploading. Once we're done, let's click this Sign button. No one is shown here yet. At the bottom is our sign option. Now, we will put our name as a signer. We can also add other items, like the date signed. Here, we will put our signature in the date section. We will place our signature here. There are two drop-down options. We can adjust the size or add other elements if needed. If we already have a signature saved, we can double-click that to use it. This is just a sample signature for us. Now we can add our initials. Let's put our initial here before the name. For the marquee, we can check the country, the lettering, and also add checkboxes. For example, we can add a checkbox. We can uncheck this by double-clicking it. Once we're done, we can finish and send it via email or save it as a draft. If we want to add more emails, we can do that. We can also use bulk sending and put the subject here. Then we can add a message. For example, please sign. Once we're done with this, just click Send. Now, we have created a Docusign document in Docusign. It's here. We can double-check it. This is our preview of what we have created. And that's how we create a Docusign document to send contracts and collect signatures quickly and effectively.